In 1937, one man interviewed over 500 of the most successful people alive, the men who built empires, ran nations, and changed industries. His name was Napoleon Hill, and his book, Think and Grow Rich, still works today exactly the way it did 90 years ago. Today, we're breaking down all 13 principles, not just the theory, but exactly how to use each one right now and why it will still work for years to come. Principle 1. Burning desire. Hill says a casual wish isn't enough. You need a desire so strong it keeps you up at night. Use it today. Write your goal as one exact number and one exact date. Not, I want to be rich, but I will earn X by this date. Read it daily. Why it'll matter later? As AI and automation open more paths, the people who win will be the ones with one burning goal, not the ones drowning in options. Principle 2. Faith. Just believing isn't enough. You have to convince your subconscious over and over that it's already true. Use it today. Every morning and night, say your goal out loud as if it's already happened. I am successful, not I will be. Why it'll matter later? The faster the world changes, the more you'll need unshakable self-belief. Trends shift, but conviction keeps you steady. Principle 3. Auto-suggestion. Your subconscious believes whatever you feed it repeatedly, true or not. Use it today. Put one goal on your phone lock screen. Seeing it 50 times a day plants it deep in your subconscious. Why it'll matter later? As distractions multiply, notifications, feeds, ads, controlling your own mind becomes the real edge, or the algorithm controls it for you.
Principle 4. Specialized knowledge. General knowledge doesn't pay. Deep expertise in one specific skill does. Use it today. Pick one skill, writing, sales, editing, coding, and go all in on mastering it for the next 90 days. Why it'll matter later? In an AI-driven world, being a generalist won't cut it. The people with real depth in one field will be irreplaceable. Principle 5. Imagination. Every great thing is built twice, first in the mind, then in the world. Hill calls imagination the workshop of ideas. Use it today. Spend 10 minutes a day just thinking. No phone, no notes, just letting your mind generate new combinations.
Why it'll matter later? Any task that can be repeated will eventually be automated. Only original thinkers will stay irreplaceable. Principle 6. Organized planning. Desire alone isn't enough. You need a clear, step-by-step plan you can actually execute. Use it today. Break your big goal into 90-day, 30-day, and weekly steps. If a plan fails, build a new one. Never quit the goal. Why it'll matter later? New tools and platforms will keep appearing, but without a plan, even the best tools are useless. Principle 7. Decision. Hill found that wealthy people decided fast and changed their minds slowly. Poor people decided slowly and changed their minds fast. Use it today. When you're stuck, give yourself a deadline. I'll decide in 10 minutes. Then commit and move. Why it'll matter later? With endless options ahead, niches, platforms, tools, the people who decide fast and stay firm will pull ahead. Principle 8. Persistence. More than talent, it's the ability to get back up after failing that separates the rich from the rest. Use it today. Give yourself exactly 24 hours to feel bad about a failure. Then get back to work. No exceptions. Why it'll matter later? Every new skill or business starts with failure. Only the people who stay show up long enough to see results. Principle 9. Power of the mastermind. One mind is limited. When two or more people align around a single goal, a new, sharper mind is born. Use it today. Find 2 to 3 people chasing similar goals and meet weekly to share ideas, problems, and wins. Why it'll matter later? The world is more connected than ever. Finding the right mastermind will only get easier, and those who use it will outpace those going it alone. Principle 10. Transmutation of energy. Hill says intense emotions, frustration, ambition, excitement, shouldn't be wasted. Channel them into your work. Use it today. The moment you feel angry or frustrated, spend the next 20 minutes on your most important task. Don't let that energy leak.
Why it'll matter later. Stress and pressure aren't going anywhere. The people who redirect their emotional energy productively will always outperform. Principle 11. The subconscious mind. Whatever you think about repeatedly, your subconscious quietly works on solving, day and night. Use it today. Before sleeping, write your biggest problem in one line. Your subconscious works on it overnight, and answers often show up by morning. Why it'll matter later. No technology can replace this natural process. It will always be your personal, uncopyable advantage. Principle 12. The brain. Hill calls it a broadcasting and receiving station. Your thoughts aren't just for thinking, they're for connecting.
Use it today. Spend a little time daily consuming content from people whose thinking inspires you. Your brain learns their frequency. Why it'll matter later? Information will be equally available to everyone. The real difference will be what frequency you tune your mind to. Principle 13. The sixth sense. Once the first 12 principles become habit, an intuition develops that quietly guides you toward the right decisions. Use it today. When two options seem equally good and the data isn't clear, give real weight to your gut feeling, especially if you've practiced the other principles. Why it'll matter later? Data and AI will hand you options, but the final judgment call, what's right for you, will always come down to human intuition. Those are the 13 principles from Think and Grow Rich, not meant to just be read, but practiced daily. The more you apply them, the more they become part of who you are. If this helped, follow the channel. Every week we break down another classic book that could genuinely change your life.